Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, welcome back to the online lecture series for the subject of Science 2 and for the standard 10th. So dear students, in the last lecture we had discussion on classification of animals and the different bases of classification. So the page on which we are now, actually this page is, or this part of the syllabus is eliminated. Okay, so you're not supposed to do this. Moving ahead, now this is important for you. Germ layers. On the basis of germ layers, the organisms are classified as diploblastic or triploblastic. So what are these germ layers? So in case of multicellular animals, germ layers are formed during initial period of their embryonic development. So when embryo are developed in the womb of mother or in the organism, these germ layers are formed and they are only seen in this embryonic development or the embryonic stage. Different tissues are formed in the body. In case of some animals, only two germ layers, that is endoderm and ectoderm. So you can see here, endoderm. In case of endoderm, okay, there are two layers. Okay, whereas endoderm and ectoderm. Ectoderm, the layer which is outside. Endoderm, the layer which is inside. Okay, this is inside and this is outside. Fine. So these animals are called as diploblastic. For example, all cnidarians, and in most of the remaining animals, there are three germ layers. That is mesoderm, besides endoderm and ectoderm. So you can see here, so there is mesoderm in the center, endoderm which is outside, and ectoderm which is inside. So they are called triploblastic. So these are called diploblastic and these are called triploblastic. Okay, moving ahead. Body cavity, body segmentation. Again, this part is eliminated from your syllabus. Even this part has been eliminated. It's removed from the part of your syllabus. Now, very important part we are going to start. There are different phylum. Okay, we are going to see each phylum in detail. Let us start with the phylum Porifera. So the word Porifera is taken from pores. These animals are with simplest body plan and they are called sponges. Okay, they bear numerous pores. See the word pores on their body, and those pores are called ostia and oscula. So this is one of the characteristic point of the phylum Porifera. Okay, they are called sponges. They have pores over their body, and the pores are called ostia or oscula. These are aquatic animals. Most of them are marine and few are freshwater. Marine will live even in sea, okay, ocean or sea water. Most of the animals have asymmetrical body. Their bodies are asymmetrical. They don't have any symmetry. These animals have special type of cells called collar cells. Remember, these are the characteristic points. Usually questions come on the characteristic features of Porifera. So these points are very important, which we are discussing now. These animals are always attached to substratums. What is the meaning of substratum? They have some base to attach. They attach their body to some base, rocky surface. So that's called as substratum. Hence do not show locomotion. They are fixed. Okay, they are sedentary. Hence they are referred as sedentary animals. Their spongy body is supported by spicules or spongin. Okay, they have fibers, spicules fiber. Spicules are made up of calcium carbonate or silica, okay, which give their body a framework. These animals feed upon small organisms taken in their body along with fresh water. Okay, so they feed on small organism. Water is taken in through ostia and given out through oscula. So you can see here, these are the ostia. Water goes from inside through this ostia and it comes out from osculum. These animals reproduce by budding, asexual method or by sexual method. Beside this, they have good ability of regeneration. Okay, this is a mode of reproduction. So example, Cycon, Euspongia, Helonema, Hylonema, Euplectella. Okay, these all are the examples of. So you are supposed to remember example as well. So these are animals in Porifera phylum. So this is how we are going to discuss each phylum in detail. I hope you have understood about phylum Porifera. Inshallah next time we'll discuss further phylum as well. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.